Okay, so today all my dryers and washers are installed and ready to run. Let's try it out. Push start. Let's see how it ramps up. It's the one down here. This is what the one on the top. Oh, why did I put a nickel instead of quarter? Here it is. High temperature, start. There we go. Okay, this one, these new machines, it runs a little bit different from the old models. This one, the drum rotates every certain minute. So, and these are the new washers. These wash very good. These are my new washer. They're all installed and working now. This one's the older model. It's a Horizon washer. Ôi trời, Linh có đẹp hù có hả lo?